Hello guys! Kumusta? Congrats kung ikaw ay nakabili ng Starlink nung sale. If hindi ka nakabili nung sale, huwag mag-alala. Mag-sale din ulit yan. Di lang natin alam if kailan ulit pero isave muna yung funds mo. Nga pala, may followers tayo na di na ma-access ang kanilang Starlink account. Kasi need na ng passcode. Wala silang natanggap sa email at text message. O kaya di na nila ma-access yung kanila account. May guide din ako para sa inyo. Anyway, at ito na nga ang bago sa Starlink. Roam or Mobile Regional Service Plan nagtaas ng price from 3,300 to 4,107 pesos to be exact. Mahigit 800 pesos din ang nadagdag sa original price. If gusto mong mag-switch to residential plan at hindi mo alam, don't worry, ituturo ko. Tara, simulan na natin.
Nga pala guys, huwag niyo kalimutang i-like yung ating video at mag-subscribe din. Salamat.
Then nag-end na po pala ang Starlink sale. Wala na nung tig 14,000 pesos na hardware. Ang problema lang yung iba nating followers at subscribers hindi bumili sa legit seller. Na-scam pa nga. Meron dyan nagbenta ng Starlink na di binibigay yung Starlink account, email at password. Tapos di pa direct nakapangalan sa customer ang account. May mas matindi pa nga. Second hand na nga presyong brand new pa. Paano nila maklaim ang warranty in case may issue? Yung iba kasi, pagkabenta, hinahayaan na nila customer nila. Meron din na scam dahil sa fake product. Wala pong Starlink Pocket Wi-Fi. May monthly po ang Starlink 2,700 ang pinakamababa na service plan sa ngayon. If may magbenta sa inyo na mas mababa sa ganung price, magduda ka na. Dalawa lang yan. Scam yan or second hand. Okay lang naman magbenta ng second hand basta transparent tayo sa customer natin. Ang akin lang sana lumalaban tayo ng patas sa buhay. If di nyo na po mahintay ang next sale at gusto nyo bumili ng Starlink, yes po, nag-process ako ng Starlink order. Direct ang ordering sa Starlink website. Under mismo sa client ang details ng account, from name to shipping details. Bale ang services ko. To make sure success ang order nyo, hassle-free, at higit sa lahat legit. Lately, kasi may cases na, after ordering, na-deduct agad sa card, pero di nag-success ang order. Like walang order confirmation code. No email notification from Starlink to set password. Can't access account and many more. If you need help, message me on FB Messenger. Link in the description. Gusto mo bang bumili sa ibang tao na nagbebenta ng Starlink? Kasi di ka nakabili sa Starlink sale. May checklist ako para sa'yo para di ka ma-scam. First, check the serial number or kit number if there is no account linked. By visiting Starlink activation page, enter serial number or kit number, click new account if nag-proceed sa service plan option. Safe to say brand new siya or ready for transfer if second hand. If shows device already assigned, it means may account na nakalinked. Second, bilhin mo lang yan if i-transfer mismo sa email nyo at mobile number ang account. Kasi if hindi na transfer, hindi sa inyo nakapangalan ng account. Problem yan pag i-set up muna, monthly payment, changing service plan, at service address. Some of the transaction needs passcode. Ito yung senesend sa email or mobile number nyo as security. Ganito siya. Mag-proceed lang ang transaction pag nag-input ka ng correct passcode. Third, test the Starlink before paying, if there is internet. Install the Starlink mobile app to check if the router and dish are matched. If not matched, it will not work. Try to edit Starlink Wi-Fi password. Fourth, if those are passed, congrats, it is a green light to purchase it. Note, purchasing Starlink on the not authorized reseller may not have warranty once the account transferred. Be careful. Next topic natin is account recovery. Yung di ka makareceive ng passcode sa email o mobile number. O di kaya di na ma-access yung kanilang Starlink account. Ito po yung guide ko para dyan. First option, using the forgot password using email and mobile number. After nyong ilagay ang email nyo at mag-submit. May email kayong matatanggap para i-reset ang password. If wala kayong natanggap na email, try nyo naman mobile number. Ginawa nyo na parehas pero wala pa ding message from Starlink. Don't worry, may last option tayo. Just visit Starlink Typeform page. Yung link nasa description. Click lang natin yung start. Then, click cannot sign in. Then, describe nyo po yung issue like no passcode received via email and mobile number, or didn't receive email from Starlink at all, or no confirmation email after ordering to set password. Next, syempre lagay nyo Philippines if nasa Pinas kayo. Then, no, I am unable to sign into my account. Then, click yes for email. Also, click yes for phone number. Dito naman, pipili tayo ng reason. If related sa passcode, two-step authentication ang piliin. Depende sa problem nyo. Click lang po ang tamang reason. For demo purposes, ito ang e-click ko. Follow nyo lang po itong guide ko. Simple and easy lang naman. Then dito sa may later part, personal details nyo na yan. Kayang-kaya nyo na po yan. Ganun lang po. Then after submission, may ganitong message kayong mababasa. Next step is to wait. Sa kanila email. If wala pa ding email after 1 week, mag-resubmit kayo dito sa form na to. Base sa experience ko, fastest response is 2 days. Yung matagal 1 week. Then bago ma-recover yung account, may case isang client ako umabot ng 3 weeks. Yun lang po. Ganun lang po process pag-recover ng account. Good luck and congrats in advance. Last topic natin is yung latest news about Starlink Roam Service Plan. Di ko sure if naka-receive ka ng email na to from Starlink. To summarize, nagtaas ng price ang Roam or Mobile Service Plan from 3,300 to 4,107 pesos to be exact. Mahigit 800 pesos din ang nadagdag sa original price. For residential service plan, 2,700 pa din. No changes pa. Congrats sa mga naka-residential plan. Bakit ba nagtaas ang price ng Starlink Roam or Mobile Regional Service Plan? Gusto ng Starlink ng additional funds para isupport ang ongoing improvement ng Starlink services. Ang goal kasi nila mapababa ang latency or ping ng internet at least 15 milliseconds. Deliver high-speed, low-latency internet across the globe. As of August 2024, there are 6,350 Starlink satellites in orbit, of which 6,290 are working, according to astronomer Jonathan McDowell. Nearly 12,000 satellites are planned to be deployed, with a possible later extension to 34,400. Ano ang benefits ng Starlink Roam or Mobile Regional Service Plan? 1. In-motion use. Pwede gamitin sa umaandar na sasakyan inland up to 160 kph speed. Hindi kasama ang saksakyang pandagat, iba ang service plan para dun. 15,394 popper mo, ang pinakamababa, mobile priority, 50 GB capped. 2. International travel, meaning pwede mo magamit ang Starlink kahit saang bansa ka magpunta, for up to 2 months per trip. 3. Coastal coverage, up to 12 nautical miles off the coast, in territorial waters where Starlink provides active coverage around the world for up to 2 months per trip. Paano mag-switch to residential, standard from Roam, Mobile Regional? Ito po yung guide. 1. Login lang kayo sa account. Then click Manage. 2. Set updated service address. Go to Google Map to get the plus code address. Locate your location on the map. You can choose any nearest landmark. For example, this landmark. Copy. And then paste. Click check. Availability. Click confirm address. Change button. Note: this is subject to availability. Some areas are already congested, meaning to many Starlink users. No slot for residential. Sadly, your only option is to wait and stay to the Roam or Mobile Regional Plan. Just check every other day to see if there is a slot for a residential service plan. 3. Now change service address. Congratulations, you saved 800 plus pesos per month. Having issue updating service address or changing service plan? Message me on FB Messenger. Link in the description. Salamat!
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on my next video.